Hello friends. So in this clinical tip lecture, we are going to talk about dysmenorrhea. So as you all are knowing, whenever there are menstrual cycles, so many patients, so many female are suffering from dysmenorrhea, a severe pain while menstruating. And that dysmenorrhea, I have chosen limited 10 medicines, and I am sure you will get a definite result with these medicines for dysmenorrhea. So number one medicine is a chamomilla. Chamomilla, I told you, the patient who are having always impatience, they are having severe pain, they cannot tolerate that pain. In any position, they don't have relief with severe irritability, and the pain is there in the lower abdomen. So chamomilla is the medicine which is especially used for dysmenorrhea, especially for those girls who are very much irritable, impatient, and there is no relief at all at any position, and especially the pain is there in the lower abdomen. So second medicine will see the cherry plum. Cherry plum is one of the Bach flower medicine which is available in the Bach flower remedies, and this cherry plum in acute pain. In acute pain you have to give in between 1 hour. 1 hour एक घंटे के बाद में आपको ये डोसेज देते रहना है, and there is no side effect at all for this cherry plum. You should repeat it. Okay, along with cherry plum you can give Macphos. So Macphos in biochemic medicine, cherry plum which is come in the dilutions, both the things you can give hourly once, and that will definitely give you the result in the dysmenorrhea. Next important thing is the medicine is the Nux vomica. This is again the polycrest medicine which give result in each and every type of dysmenorrhea. If the patient is again pain with the irritability, with the urge to stool, ineffectual urge to stool is the most important symptom in Nux vomica, dysmenorrhea. So whenever Nux vomica patient is there, she will tell you there is urge for stool but there is no passage of stool. That is known as an ineffectual desire for stool while dysmenorrhea, while the pain in the menses. So this is one of the most important peculiar symptom of Nux vomica. So while menses there is urge for stool, pain with the irritability, as Nux vomica patient is always quite irritable in nature. So next most important thing, most important medicine for dysmenorrhea is a xanthoxylum. XANTHOXYLUM. Xanthoxylum is one of the most important medicine for the pain while menstruation. It is not only in abdomen but in the back, in the legs, as well as in the back of the whole spinal column. They are having severe pain, as well as they involve the whole body. Patient tells us like the pain is there in the whole body, especially while menstruation, especially while menses. She is not at all well and she is just शांति से पड़ी रहती है whenever she is having menses. So xanthoxylum is most important thing. Okay, and they are having a menses before time also. Okay, just it is also, there is also irritability, but in chamomilla irritability somewhat like the difference between chamomilla and xanthoxylum is chamomilla the menses comes on time, but in xanthoxylum it is always comes before time. मतलब the date is 25, the menses may arrive at 20 only, like this. So before date, xanthoxylum, the most important medicine in dysmenorrhea. Next most important thing is the pulsatilla. So pulsatilla, menses are always late. These are the pinpoint and clinical tips I am giving you. See, if you want to study mathematics, this is vast. But whenever what I am giving you, I am trying to tell you the clinical tips. I am trying to give you the most important thing which I have seen during my last 16-year practice. So what we can give here in dysmenorrhea, if you want to give pulsatilla, see this other symptom must get matched over there. So if you want to give pulsatilla, so how the dysmenorrhea of pulsatilla will be like pulsatilla patient, again mild, gentle, timid, indecisive, thirstless. Okay, in chronic they are hot. Okay, sometime in acutes they are chilly and they are having chilliness while pain, any pain with chilliness. Here in menses they are always having a late menses, scanty menses. The flow is रुक रुक के फ्लो आता है, पल्सेटिला पेशेंट बोलता है ऐसे कि थोड़ा फ्लो हो गया कि 1-2 घंटे के बाद वापस फ्लो शुरू हो जाता है, फिर एक 4-8 घंटे के बाद वापस शुरू. दिस इज नोन एज द टिपिकल पल्सेटिला डिस्मेनोरिया एंड विथ कांस्टेंट फ्लो नहीं रहता है उनका. Okay, so in this they are having pain in the lower abdomen, so pulsatilla. Next one is a cholesynthesis. So next medicine, most important medicine in dysmenorrhea is the cholesynthesis. Cholesynthesis are also having pain, but they are feeling better by bending double. जब वो आगे करके झुकते हैं, जब पेन रहता है एब्डोमेन में, they just bend double and they are feeling better by that. Okay, so this is one of the typical or peculiar symptom for cholesynthesis. Then next thing is a McFoss, as I told you, bending forward double, they feel better in McFoss also, as well as fomentation. By hot fomentation they feel better, that is McFoss. So McFoss and cherry plum I told you before also, but the in particular symptom of McFoss, they are feeling better by fomentation. Patient बोलते हैं ऐसे. These all are the language of patients. Metra Medica is nothing but the language of patient, which I have really observed in these 16 years of my practice. I have seen patient बोलता है की थोडं शेकलं की बरं वाटतं, पण दुखायला परत लागतं, आणि in that case you can think of McFoss. Next important thing is the colophyllum. कमर दर्द कमर से शुरू हो जाता है. इन दिस थिंग कोलोफाइलम, द पेन स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम द बैक एंड विच गोज इनटू द लोअर एब्डोमेन. ओके, मीन्स फ्रॉम बैक इट कम्स इन द फ्रंट, दैट इज द कोलोफाइलम. द पेन characteristic of the dysmenorrhea in colophyllum, the pain starts from the back and it goes to the lower abdomen. This is the peculiar symptom of colophyllum. Next thing is the asaram. Asaram is again one of the most important medicine in dysmenorrhea, and here the pain is only and only in the back side. Okay, and severe रहता है वो भी. Next one, next most important thing in dysmenorrhea, most important medicine in dysmenorrhea is borax. So borax is also one of the medicine in which the big clots are there in menses, as well as when they pass clots they feel better. थोड़ा सा उनको अच्छा लगता है क्लॉट्स पास होने के बाद, एंड देन बोरैक्स के मेंसेस भी जल्दी आते हैं. दे आर कमिंग अर्लियर देन डेट. Okay, and quite profuse menses are there in borax. Okay, so these all are the 10 different medicines which we have discussed about the dysmenorrhea. And in being a female, so many patients, females come to you with this symptom of dysmenorrhea. The pain in the abdomen, pain in the legs, pain all over the body, especially during menstruation. So my dear friends, just don't forget these 10 remedies which are going to help you to relieve the pain of dysmenorrhea of so many patients. Thank you so much. All the best.